Inside this modern factory, buffalo hide and horn begin a remarkable transformation into luxury fashion materials. The process begins with careful inspection, where every material is examined before production. Before transformation, the raw material must meet demanding standards for consistency and quality. Once approved, the materials enter a controlled preparation sequence designed for precision. The first mechanical stage carefully prepares each hide for further processing. Surface preparation removes unwanted particles while preserving the natural structure of the hide. Controlled conditioning gives the material the flexibility needed for precision manufacturing. Flexibility testing confirms that the material can withstand the demanding construction of luxury goods. Different sections are matched to different products, maximizing both quality and usable material. The luxury collection begins with precise planning of every usable section. Pattern placement is critical because the strongest grain must appear across the most visible parts of the finished bag. Computer-guided cutting creates repeatable shapes while maintaining clean, accurate edges.
Every cut edge is checked before the panels move toward shaping and assembly.
The edges receive careful preparation so the finished handbag will feel refined from every angle. Small finishing operations make a major difference to the feel of the final product. Controlled finishing enhances durability while preserving the natural character of buffalo leather. With the leather prepared, the next transformation is structural, turning flat panels into a three-dimensional luxury handbag. Assembly begins with exact alignment, because even a small deviation can affect the final silhouette.
Strong, precise stitching forms the structural backbone of the bag.
The seam is tested by hand before more components are added. Controlled forming gives the flat material its unmistakable luxury handbag shape. Gentle pressure establishes consistent curves without compromising the leather. The first recognizable form of the luxury handbag has emerged. Structural components are prepared next to reinforce the areas that experience the most stress. The base must remain stable while preserving the elegant flexibility of the bag. Each station adds one carefully controlled layer to the final product. Handle placement is measured precisely to maintain balance and comfort.
Reinforced stitching secures the handles against repeated daily use.
Inside the leather shell, a carefully fitted lining creates the refined interior finish. Luxury is often defined by details too small to notice until they fail. Each fitting is secured with controlled pressure to protect both leather and hardware. A smooth zipper must follow the bag's geometry without disturbing its silhouette. Function is tested before the handbag can move to final finishing. The finishing room is where craftsmanship becomes visibly refined. A controlled final treatment reveals the material's natural depth without hiding its character.
The finished bag must pass a visual and functional inspection before leaving production.
What began as natural material has now become a carefully engineered luxury accessory. But the factory's second material holds another transformation. buffalo horn becomes premium eyewear components.
Horn requires a different kind of precision because its natural structure must be respected during shaping.
Thickness and structural consistency determine which sections are suitable for premium eyewear. Secure positioning is essential before precision cutting begins. The horn is divided into workable sections using a controlled cutting process.
Each section is examined before it can become part of a premium frame.
Controlled milling gradually brings the natural horn to the dimensions required for eyewear. Natural variation becomes part of the design, giving every frame its own visual identity.
Pattern placement is carefully considered so the natural material becomes part of the frame's visual design.
Efficient cutting preserves valuable natural material while maintaining the intended frame geometry. Computer-guided machining creates the precise geometry needed for a premium eyewear frame. The first recognizable shape of the eyewear has appeared. The edges must be refined until they feel seamless against the hand and face.
Check the thickness on the edge here. The symmetry looks good? Yeah.
Bridge measurement is spot on. The pattern flows well.
Progressive polishing transforms the machined surface into a smooth, premium finish. Final polishing reveals depth within the horn while preserving its natural appearance. The natural frame now meets engineered components designed for everyday performance. The hinge must sit perfectly so the temples can move smoothly.
A few millimeters of precision determine whether the finished frame feels premium.
Matching the temples completes the essential structure of the frame. The premium horn eyewear frame is nearly complete.
The natural frame now receives its optical components.
Every lens is inspected before precision fitting.
The lens edge is precisely matched to the natural frame geometry.
A perfect fit requires continuous contact without unwanted pressure.
The first lens is seated carefully to protect both the optical component and the natural frame.
Both lenses must remain precisely aligned for comfortable use. Each completed frame undergoes mechanical checks before final polishing. Repeated movement tests verify that the hinges can withstand everyday use. Precision alignment confirms the frame's symmetry. The final hand polish brings out the unique depth of the natural horn. Two natural materials, two production paths, one modern factory. At this stage, the transformation can finally be seen side by side. The natural variations that once looked raw now define the character of each luxury piece. Final quality control brings every detail back to the same question: does it meet the factory standard? Stitching is tested for consistency, strength, and finish. Every moving component must operate smoothly before packaging. The eyewear receives the same level of scrutiny, especially around its delicate optical components.
Before packaging, every surface receives one final cleaning.
The final cleaning is gentle because the finished surfaces are already precisely refined.
A final inspection checks the handbag from every practical angle.
The final frame must be visually refined and optically ready.
Once approved, the products leave manufacturing and enter protective packaging. The delicate horn frame receives protection designed to preserve its finish. Protection is the final physical barrier between factory craftsmanship and the outside world.
The completed inventory is checked once more before it can leave the facility. Finished inventory receives one final dispatch inspection. The eyewear receives its last careful inspection before dispatch. 2 transformations are now complete. From natural hide and horn to carefully engineered luxury, every stage has added precision. The final products carry visible evidence of the materials they came from. Behind every finished piece is a long chain of controlled industrial and human craftsmanship. The journey began with carefully selected natural materials. Careful planning also helps reduce unnecessary material waste.
Even smaller horn sections can be separated for appropriate secondary applications.
The factory resets its workspaces after production. After inspection, each product is prepared for its next destination. After an entire production journey, the finished pieces are ready to leave the factory. Inside these walls, natural materials have passed through dozens of precise transformations.
The final handbag preserves the texture of its natural material while reflecting hours of controlled craftsmanship.
The eyewear carries the same story in a different form. Natural horn shaped into precision.
Hide and horn have become 2 distinct expressions of modern luxury. One material is sewn and formed, the other is machined and polished.
The production floor keeps moving, ready for the next cycle of transformation. From preparation to finishing, every department contributes to the final result. The eyewear department follows the same philosophy: precision, inspection, and restraint. The natural pattern is not hidden. It becomes part of the identity of the finished frame.
The leather's natural character remains visible beneath the precision of modern manufacturing. From raw natural material to refined design, the transformation is now complete. Every curve, seam, and fitting represents a stage of controlled craftsmanship. Every polished surface and precisely fitted component reflects the same attention to detail. The scale of the factory is immense, but the final result depends on details measured in millimeters.
What began as Cape Buffalo hide and horn has become a carefully crafted expression of modern luxury. From buffalo hide and horn to luxury handbags and premium eyewear, every stage transforms natural material into precision craftsmanship.